I don't weld or solder or glue. I only reassemble. So this is only parts from typewriters. No wire, no extra, any kind of anything. Just all typewriter parts. I just use the processes that are already in the typewriter to put them back together.
Yeah.
Typewriters are not as rare as people think they are. There are a lot of them. They made hundreds of millions of them. And everybody's still got one in their basement somewhere. Sometimes there's some standards, like Smith Coronas make great spines, and then I'll sort of do surgical extractions of specific pieces that I need. I sought out an Oliver typewriter to do the shoulders and the sort of clavicle area. It's taken me a long time to figure out how to do it. But this is more fun. Maker Faire is more fun.